Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best Mini Sailor Pliers /scissors Veriosn 11-in-1 multi-tool folding pocket knife screwdriver. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs, promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best Mini Sailor Pliers /scissors Veriosn 11-in-1 multi-tool folding pocket knife screwdriver for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. If you're in the market for a versatile and compact multi-tool, the Mini Sailor Pliers /scissors 11-in-1 is an excellent choice. This folding pocket knife packs 11 essential tools into a sleek design, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and everyday carry aficionados. With pliers, scissors, various screwdrivers, and a knife, this multi-tool is equipped for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're opening a package, making quick repairs, or tackling a camping project, it has you covered. Its compact size allows for easy transport in pockets or backpacks. The folding design ensures safety and convenience when not in use. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the Mini Sailor is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor activities. Its robust construction ensures longevity, even with frequent use. The handle is designed for comfort, allowing for a secure grip during use. This feature enhances precision and reduces hand fatigue, making it ideal for prolonged tasks. Compared to purchasing individual tools, this multi-tool offers great value. It combines multiple functions at a fraction of the cost of buying each item separately. In summary, the Mini Sailor Pliers /scissors 11-in-1 multi-tool is a practical addition to anyone's toolkit. Its combination of versatility, durability, and portability makes it an essential companion for various activities. Consider adding it to your gear for your next adventure. Thanks for watching the video.